2018 Ford F-150 Coyote 5.0. What we got done on it, there's the cats. Then he had a BORLA system, a BORLA touring system that he had put on. And it had a huge glass back. I'll show it to you guys in a second, right in the middle, right here. We cut it out because it was way too quiet and left them the rest of the system, the BORLA system, out one side right there, like that. It comes with 2-inch pipe, duals, 3-inch inlet, 2-inch outlet, or 2 1/4 actually, into 4-inch dual tips right there, as you guys can see. And we added hangers to it because the original hangers that come with this system, it was hitting on that metal brace for the tire. So we added 3 more hangers to it just to reinforce it and make it strong. There's the glass pack that was in the middle. It's a BORLA too, right here. There it is. But the problem with it, sounds so quiet, man. It was like, you can't even hear it. Almost stock. And he's like, I need more sound. So we're like, we can do it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. I hope you guys like it. There's sound decibels. Before it was not even 100 with this on there. It sounds so much better. It's open now. Go ahead and back it up. And at idle, you can actually go, you can actually hear it a little bit more. I like the wheels too, those are cool. FX4 Coyote 5.0 liter. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford F-150 Coyote BORLA touring system, minus the residential.